good morning ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to add my welcome to that of the captains. My name is John Mitchell, I'm the Customer Service Manager on board this British Airways operated service to London's Heathrow Airport. I'd like to add my personal welcome to you all and welcome back our Executive Club members, some World Frequent Flyers. As the captain has mentioned, we do recommend whenever you are seated you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened, and it must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are switched on. Once it's safe to leave your seats, please do take care when opening the overhead lockers, as the contents may have moved, could fall out, causing injury to someone. We'll very shortly be starting our onboard service, and for our customers seated in our Club Europe cabin, we'll be offering you a complimentary light meal and drink from the bar. And for our customers travelling in our Euro Traveller cabin, we do have a great selection of food and drink available to buy. Full details of all the products and prices can be found in today's Marks & Spencer's onboard menu, found in your seat back pocket. We are a cashless service, and you can make payments either using your credit or debit cards, and for Executive Club members we also accept Avios. Once again, we do not accept cash as payment. All items are subject to availability. If your first initial choice is unavailable, the crew will be pleased to offer you an alternative. We do kindly ask that you have your order ready along with your method of payment available for the crew as they pass through the cabin. Very shortly we'll be passing through the cabin with landing cards for the United Kingdom. If the UK or Republic of Ireland is your final destination, then you'll need to complete a landing card. However, if you are in direct transit to another international flight today, then there's no need for you to complete one. If you're unsure whether you need to complete any travel documentation for your arrival into London, please do stop the crew as they pass through the cabin. All there's left for me to say now is sit back, relax and enjoy this very short flight to London. And if there's anything that the team or I can personally do to make your journey more comfortable, please do ask any of the crew.